Okay. Okay. Let's go. Everyone usually wanted a good gun, but it's not used because it hasn't already been. One day there's going to be a pretty tought gun in the store. A lot of people want it, but it costs way too much, and not everybody can afford it. That gun could blow up an entire city. That weapon could also blow up an entire island. And for Knox, a lot of thugs immediately thought that's the weapon which controls the world. With I hope that gun doesn't fall into the wrong hands. Exploded weapon explodes with crazy power and could destroy states. Exploding weapon explodes with crazy power and could destroy states. Rich people who can afford it, so they immediately buy it and put it at their use. A lot of thugs want to make a copy of it because they can't afford it, and they want to do it themselves. Time passes and cities are destroyed. Somewhere on the islands are being destroyed. Whoever made the gun regrets what he did, so he decides to stop making the gun, and at the same time it destroyed the fake specimens. There was no such weapon after that, and no one was so enthusiastic about guns. Exploding weapon explodes with crazy power and could destroy states. Exploding weapon explodes with crazy power and could destroy states. Yeah.